Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove the background from any video or photo using CapCut. Now let's begin. We will look at 3 examples now. So right now I have a green screen video. So let us simply click on the video and a menu bar will open on the top right. Let's go to the cutout section. Simply click on it. Now there are 2 methods. One is the chroma key and another is the auto cutout. Auto cutout is only for human figures. Let's select the chroma key and let's pick a color. Now let us increase its strength, and there you have it guys. The background has been removed. Now for another video, let's look at a photo. Right now I have a photo right here. I'm simply gonna click on this photo on the timeline, and again a settings bar will open on the top right. Let's go to the cutout again and select auto cutout only for humans. As you can see, the background has been successfully removed, and you can also add other backgrounds to it. Let me just click and drag this video, and you can see you can also change the background as per your wish. Now let's look at how to remove background from the video. I have a video of whose background I'd like to remove. Let's click on it, and again a settings bar will open on the top right, and let's go to cutout. The same process as the previous one. Let's click on the auto cutout, and there you have it guys. The background is removed. Let's try to play the video, and as you can see, the background has been successfully removed, and you can input this cutout video to another backgrounds as well. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you remove backgrounds using CapCut. Hope you guys liked this video, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.